Hi class, so we are going to be working on division equations. It is the last lesson of this unit. As you have noticed, we've been using inverse relationships. So our first problem is p divided by 4 equals 12. So p is not alone and we need it to be. So in order to get that alone, we need to use its inverse relationship of multiplication. So we're going to multiply that by 4. And we're going to multiply 12 times 4 because what we do on one side we need to do to the other. Now both of those 4's will cancel out. It's basically looking as if it's 4 over 1, which therefore p over 1 is just equal to p. Now p equals 48 because 12 times 4 is 48. Now if we put it back into our solution of 48 divided by 4 equals 12, let's work this out. 48 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. And 4 times 1 is 4, which will equal 0. Bring down the 8. And 4 goes into 8 2 times. Therefore, it's 12. So our solution of p equals 48 is correct. Our next problem is 13 equals x over 7, or x divided by 7. Again, using the inverse relationship, we're going to get x alone by multiplying x divided by 7 times 7 and 13 times 7. What we do on one side, we need to do to the other. The 7's will cancel themselves out, which basically equals x over 1. And x is equals to 13 times 7. So 13 times 7, 7 times 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So 91 equals x, or x is equal to 91. Putting it back into our equation, 13 is equal to 91 over 7. So let's try this out. 91 divided by 7. 7 goes into 9 one time. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down the 1, 21. 21 divided by 7 goes in 3 times. So 13 is correct, and 91 equals x. Here's another problem. M divided by 5 is equal to 9. Again, using multiplication, we're going to divide each side to balance out the equation by 5. The two 5's will cancel themselves out, and we'll just equal to m. M equals 9 times 5, which is 45. Putting it back into our equation, 45 divided by 5 equals 9. So let's work that out. 45 divided by 5 goes in evenly 5 times. So 9 times 5 equals 45. So that means our solution of a variable m equals 45 is correct. Now in Seesaw, I want to show you an example. There wasn't an option for me to use a normal division sign like the other problem. So when you see a backslash like this, that's exactly the same thing as the under/over division sign. So k backslash 5 equals 11 can also be written as k over 5 equals 11. Again, using the same strategy of multiplication for these division equation, we're going to cancel those two 5's out. K is isolated by itself, and 11 times 5 is 55. Putting it back into our equation, 55 divided by 5 is equal to 11. Let's go ahead and work that out. 55 divided by 5. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 5. 5 again goes into 5 one time, which is 11. So we're correct. Our variable k is equal to 55. All right. Thanks for watching.